Hello everyone and welcome back to a Temu review. As always for our Temu reviews, how much do you think we paid for this? So it's just a little peep rabbit. Kind of like just a mini pillow. It's very soft. It actually seemed to be a pretty good quality as well. So it's just a cute little pillow. As you can see from different angle, it kind of gets even oranger. And then it's like yellowish. So different angles looking at it kind of changes color, which is pretty crazy. Or you could go like this. And you could see the color fully. And then when you turn it, it's pretty cool though. What do you think we paid? I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can use this for just a gift for your pet and so much more. We paid $1.70. $1.70 for this. Would you do that?